Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about aura. Yeah, aura, the most asked questions. I will try to break it down into very easily understood, as simple as possible way. Actually, what happens to understand aura, we have to understand our human body first. Our whole human body functions, drives on energy. And what sort of energy it is? It is electrical energy. Like I can do my muscles like this, I can flex my muscles like this, right? And what is flexing my muscles? Yeah, you're right. It's electrical energy, correct? And my heart is going beating, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. The ventricles and atriums are going like this, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. And what is causing this to beat? Again, the electrical energy. The electrical impulse is generated and conducted through the nodes of the heart and distributed in the whole heart muscles. So the whole muscles goes on contracting and pumping. You see? And what is going on in my brain? My brain, the main function of our body, the brain. So brain also functions on electricity. Each and every part of our body performs on electric current. All the neurons, all the synapses, all the nerve endings, the electric current stimulus is passing from this neuron to that neuron to another neuron. And that's why it's a long chain of nerves. Through the nerves into our brain, we perceive, we see, we feel, we talk, we do things, right? So this is all electrical energy. Fine. Now we can measure those electrical energies. It is not for just on the books, we measure them. Like for the muscles, we have electromyogram, nerve conduction velocities. See, for the nerves, see, ECG for the heart, and obviously EEG, electroencephalogram for the head, our brain. As our brain performs very much with electric current, which is measurable. Fine. So we understand till this point we are together that our body drives on electric current, goes on electric current. That is the vital energy, right? So now, when a current flows, when an electrical current flows through a conductor, obviously we are conductor, it creates an electromagnetic field. You see, an electromagnetic field all around us, and there are really electromagnetic fields surrounding us, and it is in layers because the whole electromagnetic field in our body, the whole thing is the aura, and this whole thing has 7 typical generator points from where all electrical energies are distributed through whole body. The flow of energy is maintained through these pivotal 7 points. Those 7 points are actually governed by 7 different glands. We will be talking about that in our next video. But these 7 centers are Muladhara. We call it in Indian language, we call it Kundalini Chakra, the 7 centers of electricity, of energy in us. The first is Muladhara Chakra, the Muladhara Kundalini Chakra. Then the second one is Swadhisthana. Then the third one is Manipuraka. the navel chakra. The fourth one is the heart chakra or anahata. Then Vishuddhi, the neck circle, the throat circle. And then Yajna, Ajna, the third eye, the eye circle. And then the Shoshra, this is the crown Kundalini Chakra. And all these seven centers of energy produce seven layers of electromagnetic field around us. And these seven layers, they have individual colors which makes the aura looks colorless. We cannot see them. You see? And this is surrounding us. Now, this seven energy fields, this seven energy centers, this Kundalini chakras actually governs or they control our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual relationships. All the conditions, in fact, these affects and is affected vice versa by these four factors: the spiritual, the emotional, the mental, and the physical attributes, physical condition of a person. See, when I am happy, when I am really happy, my brain waves are performing in a different frequency, which is measured on EEG. Sorry, EEG. See, this EEG is measuring your electroencephalogram is measuring your frequencies of the brain. When you're happy, your heart pumps, and that can also be traced on your ECG or electrocardiogram. And when it creates a pattern in EEG electroencephalogram for happiness. And when I'm sad, I'm really very down, depressed, very tensed, very bad shape, bad mood, then the same things happens. It also creates a particular pattern to the EEG electroencephalogram reports. That is how doctor can tell whether you are awake, whether you are asleep, by the EEG reports or the ECG reports. So this Kundalini chakra and the flow of vital energy is governed by these four entities: the physical, the spiritual, the emotional, and the mental energy, the mental state, mental condition of that person at that particular moment. So it keeps on changing. And these seven layers of energies are called aura altogether. So I'm not talking about the postictal and preictal auras that you have before a Caesar. No, not that one. This is meditation one. This is yoga one. The internal energy one. The vital life force one. So for vital life force, there are seven centers and they create seven layers of energy around it. When you feel good, it boosts up. When you feel bad, it goes down. You see? So blockage of any of these seven systems, seven centers, the flow of energy through your whole body will cause a severe problem in your body. You see? It should be in harmony because it is being created to maintain a balance between all the seven and a connectivity between all the seven for a balanced life. When we get sad, when we get depressed, there is a blockage. When we get ill, there is a blockage also, along with the physical ailment. Along with the physical ailment, there is also a psychological blockage going on in that person. So when there is a blockage in this energy flow, it creates a problem. Now, the question is how to open this blockage, how to make all the seven Kundalini chakras or the centers of vital energy in balance and harmony, how to align them, how to make best of your own internal unlimited energy source, how to tame the ravishing energy inside your body. Keep on meditating. Thank you for watching.